What's up, my little noodles, my little nudes, and welcome to JMax Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making Filipino Pancit. Filipino food, backed by popular demand. I mean, Filipino food is so amazing, and yet it's so underrated. I just wanna get out there and just shout it from the rooftops. Filipino food is amazing!
That wasn't a rooftop.
I mean, let's make this thing. Recipe in the description below. Check it out. All right, we're gonna start off. We got a pound of bone-in pork loin, and we got a pound of bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. And we're just gonna take our pork loins, throw them in some boiling water, along with our chicken thighs. Make sure you got enough water in there to cover everything. And we're just gonna throw a cover on that, and we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. Let's go prep some of our All right, so we got a small yellow onion. We're just gonna cut both of the ends off. And we're gonna peel it. And we're gonna cut that guy in half. We're just gonna cut into thin strips. So thin you can't even see them. And we got a small head of cabbage, and I'm gonna use only about half of it. I don't like too much cabbage. I'm just gonna kind of cut off a slice here, and cut another slice here. And I'm just gonna cut that in half, and we're gonna shred it. You know what? That's enough cabbage for me. We're not gonna even use this one. Too much. It's an amateur kitchen. What do you expect?
The right measurements, maybe?
But you're not getting that. All right, we got ourselves a large carrot here. Let's try to make some cool Asian carrot matchsticks. Just peel this guy quick.
Over a trash can.
No. Let's move that out of here. Get it out. And then we'll just kind of, throw it here. All right, and maybe we'll just do another one here. And that's really all the carrot I can take. And then let's just kind of cut these down. And once you got your little pieces there, we're just gonna chop them into little matchsticks. All right, we got our matchsticks. All right, and the last thing is we got 4 huge garlic cloves. This is probably about the equivalent to about 6 regular size. But we're gonna mince these guys up. Boom! Woo-wee! That is some garlic. And wouldn't you know it, it's been about 20 minutes. Our meat is done cooking. All right, let's put our meat down and start shredding these guys up. All right, we got 2 forks. Take a chicken thigh out, and we'll kind of just remove that skin. And we're gonna put that off to the side. Save that skin. And we just take our forks, and let's just kind of shred these up. Shred that meat right off the bone. And we got our pork here, and we're just gonna trim that fat off. And we're just gonna cut that bone off. Get some of that meat off of there though. I'm gonna cut these into smaller pieces. All right, and so we got our meat ready. Make sure you guys save the water that the meat was cooked in as well. It turns into a nice broth that we're gonna use. All right, we got everything prepped. We're gonna go over to the wok. If you guys don't have a wok, you can just use a pot. Wok view.
Walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking. Talk it like I walk it.
We got our wok heating up. And now this is non-traditional, so Filipinos, please be gentle. But we're gonna take those skins that we saved, and we are gonna lay them right in the bottom. Let those guys crisp up. Transfer those over to a plate and set that aside. All right, let's get about a tablespoon of oil in there. We're using grapeseed oil, and we're gonna throw our onions and garlic in. And we're gonna let these saute for a few minutes. All right, guys, and once these are softened up after a couple of minutes, we're gonna add our cabbage and carrots. And we're gonna cook these for a few more minutes until they get a little wilted. And just toss this a couple times, push it forward, pull it back. Oh, All right, that's been cooking for about 4 minutes. Let's add our meat. And we're just gonna cook this for another 2 or 3 minutes. All right, guys, that's done. Let's just transfer this off to the side now. Now we're gonna take that broth that we have, and we're gonna put 4 cups of it into the wok. All right, that's a fair point, Angel Cat, but that's because Filipinos are badass. And to our 4 cups of broth, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. All right, and this is the fun part. We have some rice sticks for pancit. All right, these are Filipino. If you can't find these at your store, I got links in the description below where you can order them from. Easy.
Say what you want to say.
This is a 16-ounce bag and we're only gonna use 8 ounces of it. Ah! All right, so we got our stock up to a boil. Look how they just instantly do nothing. All right. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the noodles have absorbed all of the broth. Filipino food! All right, and after 4 minutes, these noodles have absorbed all the broth. Look at that. These are gonna be little flavor bombs. I'm just gonna add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that in. And let's add our meat and veggies in. All right, give that a quick toss. We're gonna shut off the heat. I just wanna add some green onions. Quick toss. And let's plate it up. All right, we got a plate. Let's throw some of this goodness on here. All right, we're just gonna finish that off with a little lemon juice. And we're gonna take our crispy chicken skin, non-traditional, throw that on the top, and we're gonna throw a lemon wedge on there for garnish. Boom! And there we have our Filipino pancit. Mmm! Oh, wow. Those noodles, since we didn't soak them in the water, right in the broth, they absorbed all that broth, all that soy sauce. They're like little flavor bombs, little flavor snakes. Mmm. KMJ is gonna be so jealous.
Where is he?
Oh, he's at some like 4th of July pool party or something.
Wow.
Child, I don't either. Filipino pancit. Filipino pancit. Mmm. Filipino pancit. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell for notifications. We're doing new videos every week. Comment below. Share recipes you want to see, or just say what's up. Thank you guys.